You're not making this feeling, guys. Batten down my hatches in the back, mate, and we'll set off somewhere.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, yeah.
I do, mate.
Well, it's gone over now.
There's
We got a shit out of it.
Yeah, there's nothing much happening there, is it? We'll suss it as we go. Bear with me, fellas.
Alright, mate. Thank you very much, mate. I appreciate this.
Good, mate. So we're going to get a shit out of it. It's gone over now.
Catch you if you want.
Yeah.
So we can get your